everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to be talking about Git cloning. All right, so to clone our repository on our sandbox terminal, the first thing you need to do is to go to your GitHub account and create a repository, github.com, and then create a repository. Now this is my GitHub account. I'm going to create a new repository. Here you come here and click on new. Okay, you click on new and then you write the repository name. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to just write ALS precourse 1_1. I'm going to put _1 because I already have a folder or a repository named ALS precourse. So I'm going to just write ALS precourse _1. All right, so having written the name, you go down, make it public, but do not add a readme file. Do not add a git ignore file. Do not, in fact, just go straight to clicking on, click repository, and that will create your repository for you. Now you already have a repository named ALS precourse _1. So the next thing to do is to go to your git bash. I already said that you can go to your sandbox, you can go to your whatever. Okay, let me use the sandbox this time around. So I'm going to use the sandbox to, okay, this is my web terminal. All right, so this is my web terminal, but before we can clone the repository, we need a personal access token. So we're going to go back to the GitHub dashboard and we're going to create a personal access token. To do that, you click on this your profile picture here. There is a small circle here, click on it, and then you go to settings. All right, so from settings you scroll down to developer setting. From there you see GitHub apps, auth apps, you come to personal access token. All right, and then you generate new token. Click on generate new token and that will generate a new token, but then you need to confirm with your password. All right, so we're in. Okay, so you're going to name, you can name the personal access token to remember it. So let's name it as clone. All right, so leave this default, then you give access to it, give it full access, give it full access, check everything here, then you click on generate token. This will generate your token for you. Okay, we have an issue, note has already been taken, so let's change the name. Okay, let's say clone _1. All right, so we have a full access, generate token. All right, so we have the token here. You copy it and make sure that you save it somewhere, probably on a notepad. All right, so you save it somewhere on a notepad so that you don't forget. Save it where you can easily have access to it. Okay, let's now move to our terminal where we can clone our repository. All right, so we're going to write git clone space clone https :/, then the personal access token. We cannot paste here. That is why I advise that we always use git bash, right? So on git bash you can easily copy and paste. So I'm going to right click and paste my personal access token. After that, to type at github.com, all right, /username